A few years ago, making money online, you all needed maybe to make money online, you needed a laptop. But nowadays, people are making money using their phone. And the best thing is that Africans are actually getting into this and they are making money, real money, using AI tools and using their phones. If you're an African and you are wondering which side hustle can you start, especially AI, side hustles that you can actually start making money. Here are my best 5 AI easy ones, beginner friendly, that you can start even today using your phone. No experience, no laptop, no any other things. Let's dive in. Now, to start with, we're going to be looking at the first side hustle that is beginner friendly, so easy in terms of actually managing and also in terms of actually delivering, which is actually AI description, writing the description for your customers. What do I mean? I mean, if you know local people who are actually selling stuff, maybe let's say a boutique selling clothes, you just go to that person and you know that if you see their social media, especially when it comes to their product, their description are not matching what they are actually selling, or maybe they don't even have social media presence. You approach them, or maybe you go there, or maybe you find them, and then you start having a conversation with them. Tell them that you can actually write better description. Take the photos. Let's say if they are selling dresses, you take the photos of the dress or maybe the things they are selling. Come to AI tools. You can use even ChatGPT. Tell ChatGPT to give you the best description when it comes to actually selling that kind of product. Then write the description, the title, the tag, the CEO stuff. You optimize that product and then deliver to the customer. What do I mean? I mean, like, you do this for maybe, let's say, for 10 or maybe in a batch. You find a customer who want to do that using AI tools, or maybe who is willing to actually pay you in a batch. Use AI to write the description for each product and then deliver them to the customer. Now, you can charge between 5 to 10 per product, or maybe per item, or maybe per photo, or maybe in a badge, $10 to $50, and then you make a list of customers. You find them. The best way to find them, you can use even your social media account. You can actually use your LinkedIn account or any other ways, or maybe email marketing, to actually find this customer and start telling them, or maybe approaching them and actually writing for them the description, or maybe the SEO description for their products. Okay, so that is the easy one. You can use a phone without even a laptop. Now let's move on to my number two, which is one of my favorite, which is actually AI faceless video making, or maybe video production. Nowadays we have a lot of AI tools that can actually generate items or maybe videos from images, from just instantly. You just post a video and then you turn it into a video. You do this using maybe AI tools like ChatGPT for script, and then you use maybe CapCut for editing. You use Grok for actually turning these AI or maybe these images to actually videos or maybe animation. And then you use other items or maybe the other AI tools like Sora too, and then you do what? You turn them into reels, into TikTok, into short videos that are actually captivating. People love these kind of things, and let me tell you, right now these kind of videos are exploding. You choose a niche and then you start doing what? Start creating maybe you create a script using ChatGPT, or maybe using Perplexity, using Manus, whichever AI tool you choose to base on, and then turn them into animation. You choose a niche. If you are into fitness, if you are into motivation, if you are into health, whichever way you want, you can do this. Start posting online or maybe on your social media account, build a page, and then when people start loving and liking, and you monetize it. How do you monetize it? You do this in different ways. You can actually start a YouTube channel, or if you don't want a YouTube channel, you can monetize it using, from the first time, using affiliate products or maybe affiliate links. Okay, depending on what you are talking about. You turn those images into videos, and then you connect, or maybe you add in your your affiliate products, or maybe affiliate product links. Okay, That's how you do that. You monetize that. Another way to monetize is actually selling your own products. Okay, if you are talking about something, maybe you are talking about fitness, you can create fitness items, digital products, and then you include in those description of your videos. And by the way, let me tell you, it is not an overnight thing. It doesn't mean that when I say that it is easier, you're gonna just start making money online immediately. You have to build an audience. You have to take some time to put in more effort in terms of actually creating and being consistent with your niche. Okay, so that is the second one. Now, coming to my number 3, which is one of my best, one of the easiest, and also one of the lucrative in terms of actually creating and selling, it is in terms of AI digital products. Nowadays, a lot of things that you see people are selling, even on marketplaces, let's say on Etsy, on Amazon, on social media, they are actually generated by AI, and it's going to be so hard to even differentiate the real ones and not the ones that have been created by AI. And people are actually making money using, people are buying this AI stuff. And why not jump into this and start creating these digital products? What I mean, you can create a digital product. What I mean, maybe let's say you are creating about planners, and I'm not just talking about planners. There are so many things like ebooks you can create using simple tools like ChatGPT, using Manners AI, using Grok AI, using Perplexity, depending on which one you want, and then start selling these things on marketplaces, let's say Etsy or social media account, or even creating an email list and then start maybe start selling to your audience. That's how you make passive income, through just selling AI digital products. Okay, now without wasting any time, if you're loving this content, you want to see more content about AI stuff and also side hustle that we can try and start generating income, actually do me a favor, like the video, subscribe to my channel, and let's move on to my fourth one. Now, coming to my fourth side hustle that you can start just using your phone is actually AI translation, okay, or maybe transcription. Now, if you know more than one language, maybe you are speaking, let's say you are speaking Swahili, you are speaking Arabic, you are speaking German, you are speaking Turkish, you are speaking any other language that you know, and you know that there are local people or maybe local businesses who are in need of translation, or maybe who are in need of their products being translated or maybe transcribed into other languages, what you can do, you find those businesses and then you start doing what? You start actually doing the translation using AI. Okay, there are so many AI tools that you can use to actually upload. Maybe they send you an audio and then upload on that AI tool and then transcribe it using AI. Turn that into something amazing in terms of your language that you are professionally, like you can speak professionally, or maybe you are perfect in, and then start making gigs or maybe start finding customer and selling your translation and transcriptions. Okay, so that is another way to make money using your phone. It doesn't need a laptop, or maybe it doesn't need a lot of experience. As long as you have a language that you know, or maybe more than one language you can speak, that's so perfect. Okay, so that is the fourth one. Now, last but not least, one of my favorite, which is actually AI social media manager. A lot of people, especially in Africa, like in Kenya, they have businesses. Their business are booming, but their social media presence is not as perfect or maybe as good as you think. And that's how they do not make a lot of money online. Now, I want to tell you, if you can be an AI social media manager. What do I mean? I mean, like, you get those businesses, talk to them, approach them, and then start actually managing their social media accounts. Okay, if they are promoting, let's say, a cafe, or maybe they have a restaurant, but they do not have social media accounts, you can create, or maybe you can offer things like maybe writing their post, writing, maybe making their videos, or maybe their reels, their short form videos, and then actually maybe in terms of actually managing their channels, their Pinterest account, their Instagram account, their Facebook page, whichever way they want. And then you start actually asking them, or maybe you come to a conclusion whereby you can package yourself and then start them paying you for your services. That's one gig that you can start today, and then using just your phone, and then start booming. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed these videos. If you're liking my content, like I said, do me one favor, and if you want me to go deeper, one by one, actually guys, to actually show you how you can do this, do me one favor, comment AI side hustles, and then I'll be so glad to actually respond to you and make a video about it. Until next time guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.